So today I'm going to prepare ripe plantain jam balls with okra stew for my baby. The Nigerians call it onunu. So let's get it started. That's why you are here. So let's actually waste your time. Come on, let's do it. So let's prep our protein first. So I'm going to slice it into pieces. So we are using chicken. So guys, I'm done washing the chicken. So I'm going to prep the chicken with onion, pepper, ginger, small garlic, and a little bit of salt. What you say? Hey, what you say? It's becoming fun of you. Hey. This pepper to it. 1 tomato to it. So my onions first, so that you know what I'm doing. What is it? My onions first. Okay. As in the meat you go na make bobo keke, so that you know what I'm doing. So guys, you see how it is funny when you are feeding a baby with their own food and they don't want to eat it, but they want you the mommy when you are eating, they want the adult one, but they don't want their own food. It's funny. So sometimes you need to incorporate all these things to make baby's food also taste great. You can't add only onion or only tomatoes and expect the baby to take it. You have to add a little bit of ginger, onion, garlic, pepper to make it taste great, and salt too. You see that they will love it. So guys, before I add the grinded stuff to the chicken, I'll cook the chicken for, let's say, 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Then I will blend it and add the grinded thing to it. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? If you don't understand, I will still demonstrate it for you to get it. Yeah, so this video is sponsored by Doman Foods. Doman Food Onapo is the best. As I say, lunchtime, dinner, just grab yourself Doman Food and you are good to go. Always make sure you have Doman Food in the fridge so that you can just microwave it and eat it on the go. So guys, I'm cooking the chicken with only water, nothing. I'll leave it for it to cool down, then I'll add the blended tomatoes, pepper, garlic, ginger to it. Then we'll cook it again and add our okra and everything to it. Then we are done with our okra stew for the baby. So whilst you are waiting for our chicken to cool down, we are going to work on our okra. I want it to be very, very slimy, so I'm not going to cut it into pieces, but rather grate it. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to cook the okra. Then after that, I'll add my ademe. I wanted the ademe to be more, but the one I bought and kept in the fridge has gone bad. So this is the little one that I had from it. So guys, the ademe will go in this, but I have to cut it into smaller pieces. You know, babies, they are our little humans, so we have to do everything of theirs in smaller portions. So I'm going to cut it into pieces and add it to it. Let me wash my smoked fish and add it to it. So this is our blended chicken and smoked fish. This is how it looks. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and grinded stuff to it. Oh, where's my wooden spoon? So guys, after some few minutes, this is how it's looking. Yummy. Okay, we can add our okra to it. So I'll leave it for it to boil a little, then I will add the okra to it, then we are done. At this point, I'm adding the okra to it, then we are done with the okra soup for baby. So this is why I said I wanted the okra to be slimy. That's why I did not cut. I rather grate it. See how it looks now. So baby can swallow this thing. So this one, 7 months apples, they can eat it. The yam and the ripe plantain is ready now, so I'm going to, I say pound it. I'm going to pound it in my earthenware bowl, like the way we do eto. You see, that's how I'm going to do it. This one I'm grinding it too. So guys, I'm sprinkling a little bit of water on it because it's become very, very sticky and I don't want it to get stuck in the thing. So that's why I sprinkled a little water on it. This one there is like a fufu. So our onunu, our yam fufu is ready. With ripe plantain. It is ready. So let me serve baby. So upon all the hard work, this is what baby can eat too. Small. If she wants more, then I'll come and add. Yo, so guys, you can hear baby is very happy. She can't wait to taste the meal, you see. So prepare this food for your baby and you see the happiness. Yo, so guys, you can equally substitute the yam with potato. And also you can prepare soft banku and add it to the okra soup and baby would equally love it. Okay, so don't forget to try this at home and just give me your feedback when you do it. So thanks so much for watching AJ Yemo. Until next time, come back and watch more.